tonight. We've had smokeouts, burnouts.
Eric, I see 2 trucks that were in Spectator drag. I know that middle one definitely was.
Nick Frost, something like that. Nick Frost.
Here comes the first one. This is Nick Frost. In a Dodge. Oh, I love that smell.
Yep. Beauty. Oh, there goes the tire. He burned the tire off. Man, listen to that engine.
How about that Nick Frost and that F-74 Dodge Ram?
You think that was a good smokeout? That was pretty, that was a pretty big show. Jeff Porter in the red Chevy truck is going to be next. Jeff Porter. Jeff Porter.
All right, it's a Chevy. How many Chevy fans are here? All right, he's the 2018 champ, it says, Eric.
Yeah, of what? I'm not sure. Maybe a burnout.
Oh my gosh, look at the smoke just to start. Looks like he's got a little donut on the backside.
Oh boy, he's gonna run into the everything else. David Deary better move the golf cart over there.
He's
that
got
might
like
get taken.
purple smoke.
Yeah.
Is he smoking it up?
Definitely struggling.
Here comes the smell, Eric.
Smell of a good night at the Rockford Speedway.
Yes. Wow.
Well,
what do you think about the Chevy? I don't know. He's got more. As we've got trouble with one of our trucks out there in the middle already.
yeah, I got 2 of them with the hoods up. All right, who think the red truck was a good one? I think they're into some deeper burnouts here. Our fans want deeper burnouts.
Maybe they want noise with it.
I don't know.
Wow.
Breathe it in. The smell of racing.
Got that right. That reminds me of the days of the Roadrunners. My God, you'd smell that. Roadrunners spin out and it just, woo, all the way across.
Wait for the fans to be able to see for a second or two.
Now this truck we've seen like 3 times here. One of our trailer race combatants. That thing's mean. Who we got there?
Hand out the window. One-handed burner.
Wow, what do you think of that, Rockford Speedway?
You guys like the pyro squirrel?
Wow.
Hey, that's definitely
Okay, I like smoke. I don't know if I like it so much anymore, Eric. It's getting pretty smoky out of here.
well, we got 3 left, 2 left, 2 left, John. 2 more times to breathe in the good air.
Maybe we got 2
Oh,
more to
he's
go.
not done!
Oh,
He's going on cars! He might have got stuck, though. He might have just got stuck. That pyro squirrel is, he's a doozy.
Uh-oh, he's stuck.
I guess that's one way to put it. Oh!
Rockford Speedway.
That might
It
be-
ain't over.
Nope.
We got 2 more. Hold your applause. Let's see what this guy can do. One of our Spectator drag drivers. We got to be fair. Here we go. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Yeah, David Deary,
Oh.
get that golf cart out of there, buddy.
Here he goes around.
Yeah, some struggles.
It almost looks like those tires are flat.
Look at the whole body shake.
We got to have more. Come on.
Oh,
That's
that might have been it.
That's it. You think he beat the last guy, yes or no? Oh.
Yeah, you all like that pyro squirrel, don't ya?
Yeah.
What's the name? Brendan Dale.
This one? This is Brendan Dale, folks. Let's see what Brendan can do. He was out here for Spectator Drag earlier. Give it a shot, Brendan. Here we go.
There's Chevy.
He's building it up. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, wow. I don't know. Look at this guy.
I can't see.
Doggy.
He's definitely leaking something out the front. Wow, look at that hard streak. He might be spelling a letter.
I think that guy out there's got his new challenger.
Hey, at least I can still see the lights over there across by the bleacher creatures.
Rockford Speedway, what do you think about that? I can't see anything.
I can't even see you guys. John, I can barely see
All
you.
right,
And you're in
the
a red shirt.
official word by our judging panel. What's his name? Brendan Dale is our winner right there. That's our winner. Look at the tracks. I'm not a judge on America's Rockford's Got Talent. Sorry, that's not me. I'm just passing the word. Don't kill the messenger.
You might want to ask him when he was spitting out the front.
You
there.
can do it. I
Oh,
gotta
like
breathe. It's all yours, Eric.
Brandon Neal.
File your complaints to 1-800. I don't care.
All right, race fans, I'm down here with Brandon Neal real quick. Dale, Brandon Dale, look at this burnout. Look at this. There's no rubber left on it. Were you thinking about doing a letter, spelling a name? What were you doing out here?
Well, I was trying. I already blew one tire off at home, so I figured I'd do another.
Burnout one, burnout another. Congratulations on winning here tonight.
All right, thank you, everybody.
Take care of yourself. Thank you for coming out. Great job. All right.